Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Tech World. So, in today's tutorial, I will show you how to create the storage account in Azure. So, in this video, you will learn how to create a storage account in a Microsoft Azure in just a few simple steps. Uh, how to create a storage account in step by step. So, first, go to portal.azure.com and sign in with your Azure credentials. Search for storage account. Use the search bar at the top to search for. Click on the create button and start the setup process. Then fill in the basic details. Choose subscription, select resource group, enter a unique storage account name, select region and performance tier. Then review advanced settings, configure redundancy options like LRS, locally redundant storage, GRS, geo redundant storage, and ZRS, zone redundant storage. Then review and click. So sign in into Azure portal. Just we will see in the practical exam. Just sign in to the Azure portal. First, go to the portal.azure.com and sign into your Azure credentials. So in the search bar, type storage account. In the search bar, type storage account, this one. Click on create to begin the setting up your new storage account. You can create, click here, create, and then here also. Then fill in the basic details like subscriptions, which subscription you are using, then resource group, then storage account name, and storage account name should be unique. Then reason, in which region you need to create. Now you can create containers, redundancy type files, and more. GRS, LRS, ZRS. So don't forget the like, subscribe, and hit bell icon to more after completing the configuration setting. You just click on review and create. The deployment usually takes few seconds. Once it's complete, you can go your newly created storage account. Once the validation passes, click create to deploy the storage account.